Of a unicorn in 3 words. Jaws with unicorns.
Must be a loose mating season or something.
I would describe a unicorn as a beautiful, stunning creature, but the unicorns in this one are monsters.
I really wanted to see a unicorn as a kid, but never give up. I got to 30 and I saw loads of them. This is possibly
Here for cancer?
Cancer? That's the biggest one!
One of the coolest things that I've ever experienced was showing up the first week and seeing actual practical effects and real creatures versus CGI.
The artistry and the technology is really, really astonishing. Not only of constructing these things, but then also bringing them to life.
I don't think that we're supposed to have this.
I need you to keep it together and act like everything is fine.
Their eyes are kind of cat-like and mysterious. They prowl like a black panther. They've got talons on their hooves like eagles. It's very predatory.
That horn was rather girthsome.
This movie is really unique and exciting.
Be prepared to feel shocked.
There's a horror, there's a thriller, there's a straight-up comedy. I don't think I should be in swim shorts for this moment.
I didn't really give unicorns the time of day, but I'm a huge unicorn lover, believer now.
I've never been so alive!